Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on the fixed stereo option on the AirPods. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, just pull up your iPhone, open the AirPods, and it is going to connect automatically. Then put your AirPods in your ears, and to turn on the fixed stereo, you just have to go to your control center, and in the control center, as you can see, the volume icon is already changed to the logo of the AirPods. And to turn on the fixed stereo option, you just have to tap on the volume and hold it, and by doing this you are going to have all the options with your AirPods. And to turn on the stereo, you just have to tap on the right icon, and here you can turn on the fixed stereo option for your AirPods. You can also turn on the head tracked mode here if you tap on this one, and you can turn all of them off and you can enjoy listening. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.